If you walk up to someone and punch them, it's both a criminal assault and the tort of battery. But if you do exactly the same thing in the boxing ring, you can be paid millions of dollars. How does the law distinguish between lawful and unlawful blows? This question came before the Victorian Supreme Court after an ill-fated bout between Martin Pallante and Rocky Mattioli, organised by Stadiums Proprietary Limited. It was a total mismatch. Rocky opened a cut above Pallante's eye in the opening 30 seconds, but Pallante fought on until the fight was ended after 6 rounds. He lost the sight of one eye and sued the organisers, claiming that it was never a reasonable contest. Justice McInerney had to consider whether boxing was an exception to the assault laws, and whether boxing could be equated with bare-knuckle prize fighting, which had been unlawful for many years in England. He started out by noting that consent was usually a defence during sports, if such violence is inflicted within the spirit and intendment of the rules of that sporting contest, at all events so long as the game or sport is lawful and not seriously dangerous to life and limb. On that last question, he considered that the fact that modern boxing included a number of protections for boxers, including the use of gloves, time limits for each round, the attendance of doctors, the capacity for the boxer's trainer to throw in the towel to end the fight, and the role of the referees, noting it is the paramount duty of the referee to make sure that a boxer is not subjected to heavy punishment or allowed to continue when he has suffered a severe cut or injury that may prove dangerous. Finally, he considered that if the two boxers met merely in the spirit of sport, without any motivation of anger or specific intention to harm the other, it was not an assault. However, if the encounter is conducted in a spirit of anger or a hostile spirit, and with the predominant intention of inflicting substantial bodily harm, it may be an assault, even though each contestant may have consented. As a result, boxing as a pure sporting contest is lawful, but similar fights without the protections for boxers, or if motivated by anger, will not be exempt from the usual laws of assault.